Well, welcome back everybody. MADforSTEAM here, recording this for, and I'm going to get the name of the damn website right, the Unofficial MAMOD and Other Steam Forum. So that's the Unofficial MAMOD and Other Steam Forum. And there's a dog hair on the truck. Okay, so as regular viewers will know, I've bought a load of these trucks and I'm gradually working through the restoration process. And if you don't know about this, go to Talk, and we're hosted on Talk, and my handle is MADforSTEAM. So if you search Tamiya Trucks MADforSTEAM on the Unofficial MAMOD and Other Steam Forum, you will find me. So, okay, this one took a little bit of work. Completely machine polished the body and added all the rather nice chrome decals to the front here, replaced a fairly untidy number plate, and it was dirty. Really had to clean this one up. So we're going to run you through the basic functions, but this one is slightly different to the Mercedes-Benz 1850 truck that I previously used. So what we are going to try and do now, and again, forgive me, not feeling top hole, but we shall connect the, so we're binding the transmitter to the receiver, and we're all bound up. Okay, so this is a Scania R470 Super, and we've got the basic functions. If I push down the right hand trim to the bottom, hopefully we'll get lights. So fogs, top lights. Oh, and if we spin around, hopefully you will see the rear lights. Oh, yeah, and a few little noises just to add a bit of fun. And then another push and you get your main lights. Okay, trim on the right all the way up and pushing the right stick all the way up. And you get your hazard warnings. And if we do a start, we can probably do a false start. Maybe even a real start, who knows? We'll kill the hazards. And we'll put the truck into reverse. Hopefully it doesn't fly off the bench here. You will notice the reverse lights for some reason aren't working, don't know why. Something we'll have to look at. However, this truck is slightly different to the others because you've still got the same functionality. For example, right trim lever fully up, and you'll get a light, flash and horn. And the indicators are still causing me problems. I'm getting somewhere close. Got the left-hand indicator going. But same with the Mercedes-Benz 1850. Haven't got the right one. Never mind, we're not going to really dig into that too deeply. But we're going to run the truck up now. And again, just to overpower the sound of the motor. And if you want it super loud, and in reverse, turning it down now so you can actually hear what the hell I'm saying over that. Yeah, that's the reverse beepers. Round the back, apart from all this chrome down here, these parts here are part of the chrome kit. I'm not sure you can see because the camera's not quite high enough, but there you go. But most importantly, if we switch now on the MCU, it's set to mode 2 for all the driving functions, but we also have an uncoupling and coupling function here, so switching that to mode 1 unfortunately turns the sound off, but it does allow you to move. I don't know again if you can see that, but I'm going to point to it. So that's allowing you to reverse the truck up, unfortunately without the sound, and then to couple. So you drive it up like that when it's flat, back into the trailer, the container wagon or whatever, and then once you're backed in, release it, and off you go. So yeah, it's a fairly quick overview of the Scania truck. I think you'll probably see that there are some similarities between this and the Mercedes-Benz 1850. I've also got Mercedes Actros to restore, and a Grand Hauler. Well, that's for another time, but for now we'll just leave you with a light and sound show.